Wala pa kami, madam. Laundry.
Where are we going? The laundry.
Yeah, laundry.
Hold on, there's a girl walking by.
Okay na. Isa ulo nito. Dili mo.
I-separate ang puti mo.
Dalawa, madam. Ito.
Today we're in the laundry.
Ikaw, ganun din oh. Pili mo. Ikaw, pili sa ano.
Kayo, bebe.
Today we're in the laundry. Do laundry here in the Philippines. Right. At the dryers and we're at the washing room. Well, I mean the washing and the dryers over there.
Okay, swear mo dito. Okay. Ito rin ko lang.
The little golf cart for delivery service. All right, little basket. Check it out. Whoa. Yeah.
You have that there?
Yeah, for delivery.
E-bike.
E-bike. Oh yeah, it is an e-bike. I thought it was motor.
It's an e-bike, yeah.
Oh, not bad. Very cool. You ride it too?
Yeah, I can ride
You
that.
drive it too? All right. Cool. Yeah, so we decided to do laundry.
I told Dimpo that.
Yeah, so we're here doing laundry. See, every motorbike is right here. Nice streets. Look at the housing right here. Very good. When it rains, obviously it gets rusted. But it's well, I guess it's supposed to be well insulated that water doesn't get in, hopefully. But it's very good. Little laundry business, always convenient. It's always hard to find laundries in different countries, but we found one today, and we're doing laundry. Yes, first laundry of the state. So how much is it for wash? One wash, how much? 32 pesos? Or how much for a dry? Doesn't tell you? Doesn't tell you how much?
Wash and dry, it's only 130.
130. For wash and dry.
Yeah, but
Okay, that's
each
good.
machine, ma?
What did you galay? I know each machine.
Ha?
Each machine.
Each
New machine.
130?
130. Okay, good.
Kasi dry man ko.
130, that's good. Right?
130 each, so 260.
Oh, 260. Ah, damn.
130 every machine.
Every machine. Ah, okay, good. It's okay, because you're gonna fill it up. It's a full load, right? It's a full load. You fill it up, everything, and then a wash, and then we'll dry again. Oh wait. So there's 260 already, and then the dry it's 130 again.
No. 130. Tama na yun. Wash. In one machine, you can have the wash and the dry.
Oh, okay.
130. That's all.
130.
Only 130.
Okay.
Two
So
machines.
260 already. Ah, okay. Good. See, so 260, 130 each machine is wash and dry. So 130 will come out is to be 130 pesos, which would be about $2 a wash and dry. Yeah. Very good. It's good. Compared to what, $5, $6, $7 for a wash and dry over there? What a difference. Very good, convenient. Makes me want to say, let me wash them by hand. And not even waste on the machine anymore. But oh well, let's keep washing and we'll pick them up later.